spooky season is upon us. Which means it's time to send bugs and hisses to your favorite witches and ghoul friends. Trick or treat yourself to these free, fantastic email templates that will startle your audience. We have templates for every eerie occasion, and they're easy to edit in our online editor. Getting your claws on these templates is a breath of fresh air. Just install the Chrome extension from the Google Chrome Web Store. And you'll even get access to some free spooky e-cards on your mobile device, so you can creep it real on the go. Be the ghostest with the mostest this year, and get the crowd howling with free Gmail templates by cloudHQ. Be sure to check out our email signatures tool as well, to add a little scary spice to your email branding. Because if you've got it, haunt it. cloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time.
Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you want to know all about the latest apps that make you more productive at work.